Hey Ev, it's me, Dominic here. If you don't know who I am one of the admin of the YouTubeHub community, and I just want to first off give you a quick thank you for sharing your progress to the community and give people an example of hey, it's okay to share your progress, right? But the second thing I want to do is I just want to create a quick video to kind of give you a little bit of a feedback on your recent video. So you mentioned that you think that you've messed up on something, right? Whether or not that's the title, the thumbnail, description, or the settings. My first impression of the video, I've watched through every single second of it. My first impression is that the editing and the scripting is decent. It's really good. It's engaging enough for me to watch through the entire video, and the editing style is pretty neat, right? So I won't give you too much critic on that. But I just want to give you a first heads up and just want to tell you the truth right away is that you've made only one video, and that is not enough for anyone or the algorithm to kind of the algorithm to suggest your video to more people and understand what your content is about, right? So it seems like your channel is about business, branding, and marketing insights, right? But you've only made one video, so don't be discouraged right away, right? I understand that most people, when they first made their first video and posted out and didn't get any results, they get frustrated right away and kind of get discouraged. But understand this, most creators, successful creators, they start out with 50, even 100 videos without seeing any results. So don't worry, this is normal. Just keep on creating more videos and really and just keep the editing style, the scripting. And I think you're already off to a great start, bro. Like the content is already dope and you just need to create more. Now I'm going to give you a more practical advice, which is at this stage of your channel, focus on the packaging, right? Focus on the packaging because when I'm looking at this video, the first thing that I noticed right away is that it is not giving me any message. It's not, I don't understand what it's talking about, to be honest with you. The thumbnail and the title should works in combination and to derives and to kind of gives the viewer a clear messaging right away, right? It should give some message in a split second because when I'm looking at this, the thumbnail said the bold move. Okay, the bold move, and there's a Rolex. And in the title, it says Rolex, one gamble, endless payoff. Okay, so I'm thinking nothing is really connected. Okay, one gamble. Did Rolex gamble on something? Or what is the bold move here? I'm not really sure what the thumbnail and the title is trying to convey here, right? So your messaging needs to be a little bit more clear. Like Mr. B says, when he's tried to create his packaging or like his video in general, he tried to make it as simplistic and easy to understand as like even a 3-year old or a third grader can understand it, right? So improve your packaging, make it easier to understand, and also creates attention, creates sort of curiosity, right? Make people curious about what the video is going to be about, right? Because this is right here is not creating curiosity; it's creating more confusion than creating curiosity. That's one of my quick advice. Hope you find that helpful. Thank you.